In this video, I'll show you how to send SOL from Phantom Wallet to Binance. To send SOL safely, you need to copy your SOL deposit address from Binance and then send your SOL from Phantom using the Solana network. First, open Binance and log into your account. Go to your wallet section and tap Deposit. Choose Deposit Crypto, then search for SOL. Select SOL as the asset. When Binance asks for the network, choose Solana. This part is very important. Since SOL in Phantom is normally on the Solana network, the deposit network on Binance must also be Solana. After selecting the network, Binance will show your SOL deposit address. Copy the address carefully. Now open Phantom Wallet. Make sure you are using the correct wallet account and that your SOL balance is visible. Tap Sol, then tap Send. Paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of SOL you want to transfer. If this is your first time sending to Binance, it is a good idea to send a small test amount first. This helps make sure the address and network are correct before sending more funds. Before approving the transaction, check everything again. Confirm that you are sending SOL, that the address matches your Binance SOL deposit address, and that the network is Solana. Also, keep a small amount of SOL in your Phantom wallet for the network fee. If you try to send your full balance, the transaction may fail because there is not enough left for fees. Once everything looks correct, confirm the transaction in Phantom. After the transaction is sent, wait for Binance to process the deposit. Solana transfers are usually fast, but Binance may require extra confirmations before showing the funds. Once the deposit is complete, your SOL should appear in your Binance wallet. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.